There are many ways of making money online out there, but only a few that are actually legit and that actually takes very little time from your side and very little effort for you to make a decent amount of money working from home. And one of those platforms that I really believe in and that I see a lot of progress with this platform called Hashing Space. So Hashing Space is a marketing platform which provides a way for advertisers and people to earn. So basically, advertisers get a lot of traffic to their websites, and then people who view those ads basically get paid for viewing the ads and interacting with the ads and so forth. This is the platform. This is how it works. So there's several ways of earning with Hashing Space, one of which is simply logging in. Yes, you heard me right. For simply logging in, you actually get paid. So I'm going to show you how that works, and then I'm going to share a few updates that are coming onto Hashing Space in this video. So stay tuned all the way to the end. You surely don't want to miss any part of this video. But be sure to subscribe to this channel if you're new. Turn on notifications so that you never miss a video when I release one, and like and share. It helps this channel grow, and I really appreciate that. So anyways, without wasting much of your time, let's get into this video. So as you can see, I just logged in on my dashboard right now, and this is my total balance right here that I have in Asimi token. So each of these Asimi tokens actually was just 3 cents right now. So if I can go to the home page, this is just the home page when just before you log in, right? So if you click on 36, it will actually show you the current price of Asimi token. So Asimi token is basically the cryptocurrency or a token that was launched to be used on this platform, Hashing Space. So that's like the base currency that we use on this platform, whether it's to advertise, whether it's just to earn your income on this platform. So as you can see, this is the current price right now on Asimi token. So it's actually just went up a little bit. So it's actually like 4 cents right now. So whatever is on my dashboard times that amount is actually how much I have in US dollar values. You basically can withdraw these tokens and then trade them for Bitcoin, Ethereum. And then once you have them in those common currencies, you obviously can trade them into your normal currency, everyday currency, right? So that's how basically it works. I think there are 3 ways to earn. One is basically to when you simply log in, and then the second one is using this start minting button. So what happens when you click this is basically you have to view an ad for 7 seconds, and then you paid in Asimi tokens for simply doing that. So literally for 7 seconds a day, you can actually get paid for simply doing this, simply logging in and then viewing these ads for 7 seconds. So basically, to be able to get started with this, you actually need to do what we call staking. So staking is basically putting in your money, sort of an investment where you earn some interest on it, but it's actually not investment. Again, this is not an investment advice or anything like that. I'm just sharing with you one legit thing that I've been able to do, starting for free, so completely for free, and be able to actually make money online that I have seen in the past, right? That I've been able to use and be able to generate with it. So once you complete viewing this ad, you actually click this complete, and then you can move on to the next one. So basically, in this video is just for the purpose to share with you what is actually possible, what you can actually get started with today, making money online. It's as easy as it seems. That's basically how this platform works. If you're interested in whatever is being advertised on the website, you basically interact with it, because there are many different ways that you can actually find here that will help you to make money online. So if you're interested in finding more ways to actually make money online, this is the best platform for you to get started with. So it's basically like a marketing platform that is built around the niche of working from home, starting online businesses, and all those kind of different niches, right? So that's basically billion-dollar industries put together to bring up this economy, which is a great economy that is just out there to last for decades. So it is a good thing to actually start right now. So to get started, there's a link down below. It's totally for free. You can get started right now. And one of the best things about this platform is that when you click the link down below, you actually get free advertising credits. So these credits allow you to run ads like this banner ads, as well as the ad that I just finished viewing right now. So basically, this credits, what you can do, as I said, you can run these ads, right? This type of ads. So what would you want to do is be part of an affiliate program. Use an affiliate program like ClickBank, JVZoo. So in the previous videos, I actually made a video showing you how you can get started with using this platform to actually generate sales for your affiliate products, JVZoo. But I also recommend ClickBank because it's just one of the biggest affiliate products company or website platform, whatever you want to call it. You'll be able to run your ads and then get some sales, get some leads, and that's basically how you get started with making money online, which is another extra but big of a way to make large amounts of money with it, with this platform, Hashing a Space. So that's basically how that works. So that's basically the second way to earn with this platform. The other way, which is completely for free, when you join right now using this link, you'll be able to start making money using this button right here, which is the View to Earn button. So what happens with this button is that you get an opportunity to get into a draw to win up to 80 Asimi, which is this is just a fantastic opportunity for anybody who's getting started today, because Asimi token has a great future ahead of it. Looking at the products, different products that are coming out, you can be sure that Asimi token is going to get a good value, at least above 50 cents for each Asimi token. So that's why we're accumulating as much as we can right now whilst it's its lowest value, so that whenever it hits up again, you'll be able to convert this into a lot of money. So that's basically what this View to Earn button does. And then you get the opportunity to actually view this as and instantly get paid whatever amount that is shown right here. So this amount, if I view this as for 30 seconds, I'll be able to get this credited to my account straight away, right away, no questions asked whatsoever. So that, which is the best part about this View to Earn button right here. So I really encourage you guys to get started with this right now. It's not too late to get started with cryptocurrencies. This is a perfect opportunity to actually get started with this specific cryptocurrencies, because it's just at this lowest level right now, which creates a perfect opportunity for you guys to get started with it. So is this so? I have 800, just above 850 of this cryptocurrency, of this token. My first withdrawal was back in March this year, 2019, and I basically traded about 60 Asimi tokens for just above $90 US. So this basically shows you the power of this platform. That's why I'm saying, if you're interested in cryptocurrencies, if you're interested in earning a bit of income online, this is basically the best way to get started. So as I said, I have a few updates that I want to share with you guys, which I'm going to share with you right now, close to the end of this video. So basically, this is how you earn this crypto with this platform. This is the View to Earn button. It's free to get started. As you can see, there's plenty of ads that you can view here. Even though right now you're only allowed to view just up to 10 ads. That's the maximum that you can go. It used to be 50, but then they changed those rules because just to make it easier for people to enter the draws and just to be able to actually mint as much as you can, right? To mint this cryptocurrency as much as you can. So that's basically what's going on with Hashing a Space right now. So as you can see, I've totally viewed 2 ads in total and instantly got paid. So if I can go to my transactions, it will actually show you that I just got paid right now. So if I go to my wallet right here, so as you can see at my wallet right here, I just got paid for literally viewing those ads. Here's my earnings right there, November 7th, which is today. I just got paid right there. So it's instantly when you're using this. And then this is the stake return. So what I meant when I said it's sort of investing is that you basically get whatever you put in on this stakes back every single day for 365 days. Once on top of that, you're able to view those 2 ads that are viewed in the beginning of this video. So that's basically getting the amount that you put in upfront, and then on top of that, you're getting more that you earn, that you mint. That's basically like creating that Asimi token into circulation. So that's basically how that works. And then the login stake, even though I don't have anything yet, I don't have anything in there right now. I used to have it in, but then I wanted to do a withdrawal, so that's why I took it out. But basically, it's just staking all your cryptocurrencies that you got. So this whole amount that I have here, I can actually stake it and then be paid a percentage of that for simply logging into this platform every single day. So that's basically the ways that I'm able to earn right now. And then there's obviously the affiliate commissions. So for affiliate commissions, it just depends on how many people you bring to this platform that will actually view the ads daily, and then that basically depends on the amount that you'll be able to earn, right? That's another bonus way to earn with Hashing a Space. Basically about it, that's a quick introduction to Hashing a Space for those who are new to it. So if you're interested in knowing more about this platform, check out the link down below. It will have a playlist to all the videos that I've done on Hashing a Space and just explaining how it works. The new updates that I wanted to talk about, let's get into that right now. So there are very interesting new updates that are coming along to Hashing a Space. So this is just an email from LukeMillard, who is the CEO of Hashing a Space. So this guy is phenomenal. He has been doing great things, and there are great things that he is planning on ahead of Asimi token. So one of the most exciting updates about this is about the withdrawals, which they are working on to make it faster, just for everybody to be able to access their Asimi tokens way faster. So right now it's actually very good. There's $50 worth of Asimi tokens minimum to be able to withdraw your Asimi tokens, and it takes less than 2 days to have your Asimi tokens in your account, so which is really great. And then the free stake prize raffle, that is also the new updates that are coming on about that. And then this is the Asimi website. So if you want to know more about Asimi token, what it is all about, go to this website and then you'll be able to know more about it. I shared that in the previous video as well. So just go check out this website and you'll get a better understanding of what Asimi token is all about. And then this is the exciting one, the latest update on Asimi token. So how are they actually going to drive Asimi back to the better prices that it used to be at? As I said, it's an advertising platform, so it works on delivering products, great products that actually improve people in making more money online, right? So remember, there's a famous quote about if you want to make $1 million, go out there and help provide a solution to 1 million people, right? If you want to make $1 billion, provide a solution to billions of people. So that's basically what LukeMillard is doing here, and the team at Hashing Space. This is what they are all doing and working on right now. As you can see, they basically, the new way that they're going to do this is by providing by helping members further succeed in online businesses and provide the tools, training, and resources to do so. So that is huge for Asimi, because that means there's a lot of demand for Asimi token, because again, as I said, it is the only cryptocurrency that we use on Hashing Space besides Bitcoin. Obviously, you can also use Bitcoin to make purchases of products on Hashing Space. That will mean you'll be able to earn in new ways. As you say, we already have 4 or 5 ways to earn, and they're always increasing. So that will also increase the demand on Asimi price, on Asimi as a token, and then the new ways to advertise, exchange. So this is actually another amazing one, because once it's on different exchanges, that will mean that there's a lot of demand and a lot of popularity for that token, and that obviously boosts the token price overall, and then you'll be able to promote in new ways. So that's basically the new update that I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on that. So be sure to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss a video when I release one. Turn notifications. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you want to see in the next videos, on the next video uploads, or let me know if you got any questions. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So without wasting much of your time, I really appreciate you watching all the way to the end. Be sure to check out around the channel, subscribe, turn notifications, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.